What's up, guys? Today we're gonna eat some food. Yeah, we'll go. Okay, we go. Woohoo! We are faster like Sonic, boys. And faster than Sonic. We're faster than Sonic. Oh, I'm floating in the air. Okay, I'm gonna snipe. Mason, I can just shoot from here. Come on, guys. Everybody, we're gonna check out this present. We don't know what it does yet, because I haven't played this game in a long time, and this is a brand new update. We'll find out. 3, 2, 1, fire! I don't know what the present do, and my brother have a lot of cool stuff. I don't know what the present do yet, guys, but my brother just packing things up, and after that, we're gonna do it. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. My brother's kind of. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Are you ready? Do you want to do it? Okay. Mason? Okay. Mason, what open after that? What blow? And after that, once I open it, my brother gonna blow all the monsters up. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. What? Go. Okay. If you want to do any flex, this is toilet paper. If once you hear that sound, we know you got the flex. You guys don't know what this does. I'll show you guys. What? It will make you fly to heaven. My brother just sending the minute. And if you don't, ooh, a Volvo. What do they do? Ooh, Volvo. I missed it. Ow! If don't shoot, Mason, I need a Volvo ammo. I need a Volvo ammo. Heard it. Can I have my Volvo ammo? I need Volvo ammo. Can I have it? Have it. Guys, you don't need. Only thing you need is a crossbow. Okay, guys. If you don't know what you can't buy footballs anymore. I don't own them. I didn't know that. You can buy football apparently. Okay. Watch out. Guys, you might die like I just did. Just don't get in the front of the ogre, guys, okay? And I think if you die, all you need to do is buy a firework. All you need to do is fly back. And you don't need anything we have. The only thing you need is a crossbow and a backpack. My brother activated the bomb. If you don't know what the bomb is, it's just like. Okay. Mason, where's my revolver? If you don't know what a vulva is, it's just like, if you don't know what that is, I own them. I can show you right there in the video, guys. Okay. If this guy hit you, just send you fine. But if you get hit too, sometimes it barely take any of your health. Okay, guys? You don't. The only thing you need is crossbow and a backpack. I would have just killed it. Where? Where is it? I don't see it. Good job. Wait, where's my revolver? Mason, where did my revolver go? If you like blows up, if this thing blow up, you want to hit him. The best thing to kill them in with kill thing. My thing my brother has. And 4 bars, I got 2 4 bars. And a good thing about crossbows is you can take off your backpack and put things on the crossbow. And like a very good idea. Usually people don't think of that. I just noticed that, guys. Good. Oh, thanks, Mace. Let me eat some snacks. Right there, Mace. Right there. Guys, today we will be doing a part 2. We're gonna do a part 2 soon, guys. Okay, guys? But my brother will not be in this one. Okay, guys? Bye. Have a good day and a good Christmas. Love you. Good job, guys. Bye.